Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to download the DramaBox app on your phone. Let's get started. First, unlock your iPhone and go to the App Store. This is the blue icon with a white A. Tap on it to open. At the bottom of your App Store, tap Search button. In the search bar at the top, type DramaBox and then tap Search. You will see a list of apps. Look for DramaBox, movies and TV shows. Check that the app has the correct logo and good reviews. Once you find it, tap the Get button next to it. If asked, confirm with Face ID, Touch ID or Apple ID password. The download will begin. You will see a little circle loading. Wait until it's finished and the button will change to open. Tap Open to launch DramaBox right away. When the app opens, it might ask for permissions like sending notifications. You can tap Allow or Don't Allow depending on your choice. Now you are inside the DramaBox app and ready to browse and watch drama. And that's it. That's how you download and install DramaBox on your iPhone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.